Hello, good day students. So let's start with our discussion under in the chapter 5 logic lesson 2 truth tables for conjunction, disjunction and negation. That would be our discussion for you today. And before we start, or let's start with the truth tables for the conjunction, disjunction, and negations. Let's have a recap muna for the statement. No? So take note, students, what is a statement? No? A statement is a declarative sentence that is either true or false, but not both true and false. So that is the statement. So for example, is the best today? No, so that is a question, no? And go get the newspaper, that is a command. Now, this is a nice car, that is the opinion, no? And Denver is the capital of the Colorado, and that is the statement of fact. Now, and the statement it is a declarative sentence that is either true or false, but not both true and false, no? And a simple declarative sentence has a simple sentence or a structure consisting of a subject and a predicate. Now, for example, of a declarative sentence in the simple form include my dog is sick. Okay, it is a nice day. Pizza is the best. Sam is smart. No, and that would be under in the statement. Okay, and we have the example. Example number one. Identify the statement uh, with this statement or not. No, determine whether each sentence is a statement. No, for example, number one. Florida is a state in the United States. No? So uh, let's have to answer this one. No, for the number one, no, Florida is one of the 50 states in the United States. No, and in this sentence, it is true. No, this statement is true, and it is a statement. Okay, so for letter A, so the true. So this is under in the statement. How are you? No, so the sentence "How are you?" it is a question form, no? And it is not a declarative sentence. No? Thus, it is not a sentence. So false ito. Okay, for the letter C, 9 to the power of 9 plus 2 is a prime number. So you may not know whether 9 to the power of 9 plus 2 is a prime number. However, you do know that it is a whole number larger than 1. So it is either a prime number or it is not a prime number. And the sentence either true or it is false, and it's not both true or false, so it is a statement. Okay, true. True. For letter D, x plus 1 is equal to 5 is a statement. Okay, why? It is known as an open statement. Now, it is a true or for x is equal to 4 and is false for any other values for x. For any given value of x, it is true or false, but not both. So, pwedeng maging true, pwedeng maging false, but hindi pwedeng maging false, both true and false, no? So, here in the given statement, so balikan natin yung first slide, no? So, yung question form po, it is not under in the statement. Okay, so we have the simple statement and compound statement. So take note, students, that the simple statement, that is a statement that conveys a single idea, only one idea. And while the compound statement naman, it is a statement that conveys two or more ideas. For example, okay, and the connecting simple statement with words and phrases such as and, or, if then statement, if and only if, it creates a compound statement. So yan po yung mga clues, no, or mga keywords to know if that is a compound statement. For example, I will attend the meeting, or. So take note, merong or. I will go to school. That is a compound statement because it conveys two or more ideas based on this example. Now, it is composed of the two simple statements. So, simple statement, I will attend the meeting. Okay, and I will go to school. So, that is as two simple statement. A simple statement lang yan. Kasi, I will attend the meeting. Yan. Mag-attend lang siya ng meeting. And I will go to school. That is simple statement. So, the word or is a connective for a two simple statement. Yung or. Okay, so let's have the truth values and truth tables or under in the logic connectives and symbols. So ito yung under in the logic connectives and symbols, we have the connective. So take note always, we have the connective word and or not. No, for the symbol, for the connective word, we have and, no, inverted V, or parang V naman, no? Yung not naman, so that is the symbol, no? Parang approximately symbol, no? So take note for in the inverted V, that is and, V is and, or wala. And itong symbol ito is not. And the type of statement, no? For this symbol po is conjunction. For this symbol is disjunction. And this symbol po is negation. Negation, negate. Okay, so let's have the truth table or truth value and truth tables. No, so for the truth value, that is a simple statement, either true or false. And for the truth value naman, that is a compound statements or the truth values or of its simple statement or and its connective. No, and this table, a truth table, is table that shows the truth value of compound statement for all possible truth values of its simple statements. And let's have the truth table value. So take note always that the negation, no, is in-negate lang natin yung opposite, no, opposite lang ng propositions. Okay, opposite lang ng propositions. For this table naman, we have P, okay, we have T, so it means true yan, no, F is false. Pag negation naman is opposite lang ng true, yung opposite ng true is, ito yung symbol ng negation, negation of P, opposite ng true is false. Opposite ng false, true. Okay, so that is negation table. For the conjunction table naman, okay na ito. So we have a given propositions, P and Q, ito yung mga given natin class, no? Ito yung, okay, given yan, so that is constant, no? We have true, 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 false, false, true, false, false. For the conjunction, no, ito yung conjunction symbol, no, inverted V. Okay, conjunction, take note that pag inverted V po, yung connective niya is and, no, and yan. So, pag true and true, that yung sagot dyan is true. Pag true, false, false. Pag false, true, okay, false. Pag false, false, false yung sagot. Yan. No, yan yung mga given natin for the conjunction table. For the disjunction table naman class, that ito yung symbol, no, or, no, letter V, no. So true, 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 no. True, false, true, false, true, true, false, 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 no. So take it parang katulad lang for the conjunction, no. Pag false, false, false. Pag true, true, true. So dito pag true, false, pag nauna yung true, false, dapat yung sagot is true. Pag false, true, no, pag disjunction, pag false naging true, true yan yung sagot. So yung kaibahan lang dito is ito, yung dalawa, no. Yung third row. Okay, so let's have an example now. Construct a truth table for this symbol, negation, no. Okay, so wait lang. So negation, Okay? P. Okay, ano yung symbol dito? So, pag ganyan, um, and, no? So, and is conjunction, no? Conjunction. So, negation of P and Q, no? So, conjunction yun. Okay, conjunction and conjunction. So, to answer this one, no, para masagutan natin dito, masagutan natin itong problem na ito. So, apply, no. So, take note class ha, meron tayong propositions na P and Q, no. So, under in the P and Q, so it means meron na tayong given na ganito, no. P and Q. So, meron tayong true, true, false, false, true, 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 false, no? So, that is given, no? Given na yan. Okay? Pag P and Q, no? So, take note, P and Q, to, okay? Applyan natin doon sa conjunction table, oh. Ito na table. Copy mo lang yan, no? Copy lang natin yan. Sa example number 1, ito na, no? So, take note, pag true, true, yung sagot is true. Tama. Check. True, false. Okay, true, false, false. No, tingnan lang natin, no. False and true, false and true, false. Tama. False and false, false. So, take note, merong negation, no. After sagutan natin yung false and Q, false, P and Q pala, no, P and Q, okay, okay na yan, no, inside the parentheses, negation. So, take note, negation, opposite lang ng true, no, opposite ng true is false. Opposite ng false, true. Opposite ng false dito naman is true, and opposite ng false is true. So, that would be the answer po, no, for the example number 1. For the example number 2 class, no, construct a truth table for negation P or Q, no. So take note, copy lang muna natin yung meron tayong propositions na P and Q, no. Copy lang natin diyan yung mga given, no. So true, true, false, false, true, false, true, false. So take note, yung symbol dito is or. Or is disjunction, no? So hanapin natin yung table, no, ng disjunction table, ito, truth table ng disjunction. So copy paste lang natin yan for the example number 2. Okay, yan po, no. So erase lang natin, no. So take note, true, true. So yung sagot is true, tama. True, false, true. Tingnan lang yung disjunction table. False, true, true. False, false, false. Take note, merong negation, no? I-negate lang, no? Kabaliktaran or opposite lang ng mga symbol dito, no? Yung mga T and F, no? Kabaliktaran ng T is false, negation. Negation ng T is F. Negation ng T is F. Yung negation ng F, so that is F, no? Take note, negation ng, okay, tingnan natin dito. So, mayroong mali dito, no? Pag negation ng F, that is mali dyan. T yan, no? Meron kasing negation, no? Katulad ng kanina, no? Okay. Okay, for the example number 3, construct a truth table for, pag ganito, no? Maraming symbol. Merong negation sa labas, proposition P, merong or and pala, no, conjunction, and merong negation ng Q. So take note, to answer this one class, no, follow lang ng yung first step dito is ito, yung negate mo lang, negate first the Q, and after that, after man-negate si Q, is isolve lang natin yung P and yung negation ng Q, no. Then after that, negation lang sa lahat, no. So copy lang natin itong yung given dito, no, P and Q. Take note, pag negation ng Q, no, pag negation ng Q is ito, column ng Q, column lang ng Q, negation. So, yung T maging F, yung F maging T. Opposite lang ha, yung T maging F, yung F maging T. Then after that, okay na ito. No, okay na ito. So, P, P and Q. No, P and Q, or negation ng Q. So, P, ito yung P, and negation ng Q. Yan. So, ignore lang ito. So, okay. Erase natin. No, so, wala saan eh. No. So, nauna si P. P and negative, negation of Q. No. Okay, T and F, hanapin natin dito, no. Take note ha, and, no. Ito yung truth table ng and, no, conjunction, P and Q. So, T and F san F. So, ito yung F. T and T, true, true. True yung sagot, dyan. F and F, yan. F and F, F. F and T is F. So, we're done, no? Okay na ito sa first yung first parenthesis, no? So after that is negate lang natin, no? Opposite lang ng F is true, opposite ng true is false, opposite ng false is true, opposite ng false is true. And that would be the answer, no, for the example number 3. For the example number 4, so take note, no, medyo mataas na, no? Construct a truth table for Q and negation of P or Q. So first step is to solve the parentheses, no? P or Q. Tama? Or that is or symbol. So ito yung mga values natin, yung mga under yung mga proposition ng P and Q, no, na columns. So take note P or Q. So ito yung conjunction pala, or a disjunction table ng P and Q, no. So true and true, true. True and false, true. False and true, true. False and false, false. Yan, dito yan kinuha, no, yung mga sagot dyan. After that, negation, no, i-negate natin. So opposite ng P or Q. Opposite lang ng P or Q. So, yun, true, opposite ng true, false, opposite ng true, false, opposite ng true, false, opposite ng false, true. And after that is, okay na ito, check, check. So, na-negate natin. After that, yung negation, yung sagot ng negation of P or Q is and Q, ay i-combine lang natin doon sa Q and dito, no? Combine lang natin. So, unahin natin si Q. Saan yung value ni Q? So, ignore lang natin yung mga P dito, class, ha? Okay. So, dapat mauna si Q. Okay. Dapat mauna si Q. Okay, yung Q na value ito. Ito. So, yung symbol dito is ito, no? Conjunction table. So, take note always that true T and F, una-una yung T and F is false. Yan, false. So, nauna yung Q. So, F and F, false, tama. Si Q naman, nauna yung T and F. T and F. Okay, false. Nauna yung Q, F and T. Ito yung F and T. False. So, that will be the answer now for the example number 4. For the example number 5, construct a truth table for negation. Okay? Negation P or Q and or Q, no? So first step no is i-negate mo lang natin ah, si P, no? Yung mga propositions ng P. Then after that, no, combine lang natin dito kay Q, no, ito, combine lang natin. After that combining, so i-combine lang natin doon sa kay Q. Then after that, i-negate. Tama ba? Ayun, no. Unahan natin si negative P and after that, i-combine natin kang Q. And after combining, negation natin. No? Negation of this answer. Then combine natin kang Q. Okay? So first step is to answer muna yung negation ng P. So negation ng P, so yung opposite lang ng yung propositions ng P, no, true maging false, true maging false, yung false maging true, yung false maging true. And we're done. In the first. Okay, okay na ito. After that, combine natin doon kang Q. So yung symbol is disjunction. No, disjunction symbol or no, or. So yung connective niya is or. So ito yung disjunction table, no? Okay, partner lang natin si P. Okay, ito negative negation of P to Q. So ito yung Q, no? Yan. So F and T, F and F, false. True, T and T, T. So T and F, T and F is true. So we're done. Okay na. Okay, after that is in negation natin, no? Negation ng sagot ng negation of P or Q, no? So negation, so kabaliktaran lang kabalik opposite ng T is F, opposite ng F is T, opposite ng T is F, opposite ng T is F. And after that class, after that, no, na-negate natin yung sagot ng negation, no? I-partner natin doon kang Q, no? So F, okay. So erase muna natin, no. Hindi ito kasali. Hindi ito kasali. Hindi ito kasali. So dapat yung i-partner natin is itong naka-circle, no. So ito partner natin doon sa Q, no. F and T is T, yan. After that, T and F is true. F and T is true and F and F is false. So that would be the answer, no, for the example number 5. And that would be all, no, for today. And God bless everyone. I hope, no, that you will understand the discussions or the recorded discussion. Thank you.